If you're craving something soft, rich, and completely guilt-free on your carnivore journey, this one's for you. Start with 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. Let it melt into a creamy dream. Crack in 4 large eggs. This combo is all protein and fat, no fluff, no carbs. Whisk it till smooth and glossy. That's your base, simple and silky. Add a pinch of salt if you like it savory, or keep it plain for a sweeter twist later. Pour it into a greased loaf pan. No flour, no grains, just goodness. Bake at 325 degrees for about 40 minutes. Your kitchen will smell amazing. Once golden, slice it warm. It's soft like a cheesecake, but it's bread. It melts in your mouth, keeps you full, and hits every craving. Carnivore Cream Cheese Bread, the easiest keto pleasure you'll ever bake.